Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and I am from Lahore, Pakistan, and from Lahore, Pakistan to all the people of India a great namaste and a very good Sat Sri Akal to my friends in Indian Punjab and all over the world. Hello to Africa, all my students in Africa, a great hello from Asad Yaqub from Lahore and all those who watch me in Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Kuwait, America, Canada, Australia and many other countries of the world. A very good hello from Asad Yaqub and I'm thankful to you that you guys watch my videos and you appreciate me, you show me your love and care and respect, so I am quite excited about that. Anyways, the type of questions which we are going to do now, it is called summary completion, and this summary completion comes in gender training section 3. Sometimes it comes in the beginning, sometimes it comes in the end of section 3. Now, we have a summary, rather we have two summaries. If there is one summary, all the answers will be found in one paragraph, and if there are two summaries, then there can be two locations in the passage where you can find all the answers. Now let's quickly go to solve this test. We go to the handout and there we solve this test with my magic hands, and with you we are going to solve this test, and as you find the answer you will feel that you are feeling great and you are feeling excited, and I feel overjoyed. I feel great when I solve IELTS reading, and I will try to pass on the same feeling to you as well. Let's go to the book. Okay, so necessary stamina. Now there can be another answer, because in answer they have given two options. One is like speed and stamina. They say volume of blood to their bodies, and this allows for superior speed and stamina. In addition, their legs, and it's different. Okay, hard to take a hare by surprise compared to mammals. Similar size, hares have a greatly enlarged heart and higher volume of blood in their bodies, and this allows for superior speed and stamina. They were saying about energy. So where is energy, by the way? Physical adaptations and all that. Positions high on their vision, making it hard to take a hare by surprise. Greatly enlarged heart and higher volume of blood in their bodies. So actually it's going to be stamina. Okay, now let's go on. What's the next question? We just see. I'm feeling hungry as well. It's not that I eat all the time. I only eat when there is the meal time. A running hare resembles the, okay, the resemblance of running hare with another animal. So you just need to find another animal. A running hare resembles the dash more closely than its relative, the rabbit. The relative of hare is rabbit, but a running hare resembles the dash more closely than its relative. Now let's see. Okay, in addition, their legs are longer than those of a rabbit, enabling hares to run more like a dog. Like a dog. To run more like a dog. To run more like a dog, and running rabbit or running hare resembles. What do they say here? A running hare resembles the dog. Okay, more closely than its relative, the rabbit. Okay, the hare has some other characteristics that help it to avoid capture. Now capture, predator and all that. The first is it's excellent all round. Now we need to see what is it. Excellent. The first is it's means something that belongs to hare. Excellent dash. All right. Okay. Fine. Now sometimes you'll have to go back or forward to find the answer. Unusual lifestyle, there isn't anything about that. Yeah. In this paragraph, they're talking about the physical features. So let's see. Brown hares have a number of physical adaptations, and they have exceptionally large ears that move independently so that a range of sounds can be pointed. Large ears move independently, accurately. Positioned high up on their heads, the hares' large golden eyes give them 360 vision. Positioned high up on their heads, okay, the hare's large golden eyes give them 360 vision. Now see, 360 means all round. All round means actually 360. It's the angle, right? So excellent all round what? 360 vision. So it's going to be actually vision, all round, vision. Got it? Again I tell you, here they are using the word, where is that? 360 vision. For 360 they have used the word all round. That's why it is very important to know the synonymous phrases. Okay, let's go on. This means that predators cannot easily creep up behind it. Another feature is its ability to position. It's massive. For massive they might use the word large, big, or some other word like that. Is its ability to position its massive dash separately, massive dash separately, to sense the slightest indication of a danger. Let's see. Yes, it's here. They have exceptionally large ears. I told you, big ears that move independently. That move what? Ears, large ears move independently. And what is here? Another feature is its ability to position its massive ears separately. Massive ears. Yeah. Another feature is its ability to position its massive ears separately. For separately they have used the word here large ears that move independently. Move independently or separately, that's the same thing. So here the answer is ears, to sense the slightest indication of danger. And here they say ears to move independently so that a range of sounds can be pinpointed. Let me tell you, IELTS reading is just a game of synonyms. If you know synonyms, and you should learn synonymous phrases. I made a video on synonymous phrases, synonymous sentences. You need to learn that as well. That's all. Thank you very much. Take good care of yourselves. Bye-bye. Welcome back. Okay, so we are done with summary completion as well. Now we have solved one complete general training reading test. Those of you who are planning to get 8,777, you can even get more than 7 in reading if you follow my instructions, if you follow my guidelines, if you follow my tips, my techniques carefully. Definitely IELTS reading will not be a problem for you. So be happy. All the things I told you, all the tips I told you, you need to act upon those things while solving one test. And this is the only way to remember everything which you learned in this series of videos. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I run another channel, Asad Yaqub Vlogs. You should subscribe to that channel as well. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, you can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best from Lahore, Pakistan. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.